Let us model a part using the revolve command in Siemens NX. So I'll go to sketch, select the plane. I'll be using the line command, switch to palette. Okay. We'll select the dimensions now. So let's start with this dimension. I want it at 3.5, but before that I'll just change this dimension to 1.25. Now I will change this dimension to 1.75. You can see I also need to change this dimension, which I will be changing it to 3 mm. We will change this overall dimension to 4 mm, and you can see our, maybe I'll change it to 7 and finish. Now I want to revolve this feature. Click on revolve. The curve is already selected. All I need to select is the vector, which will be this. We're revolving it at 360 degrees and click OK. So the revolve feature has been created. I'll hide the sketch